So guys, now we'll be connecting our valve to the line so that we're using flushing the system. And so now I'm done brazing the valve. So this is the point where I'll be flushing the system to come out this spot here. So let's go and flush the system now. So here is the valve that I'll be flushing it to. So while if you want to flush, you don't need to put your valve here, then flush it like this to the top. It will be difficult and not all the oil that can go out from the system. But if you flush it from the top to the down, it will definitely remove all the oil in the system or all the particles that is in the system. So this is the right way to braze your valve when you want to do flushing. So I'll be doing the flushing now, so stay tuned. Let's go.